Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here, and this is weatherweb.net. It is Saturday, the 14th of December. Thanks again for watching. Now, we're entering a very windy period of weather over the next couple of weeks. We were talking about the jet stream strengthening, and indeed, that's what's happened, and it looks like it's going to be hanging around for some time. So, this is the ECMWF and also the GFS 7 to 10 day ensemble, which takes us through from next Saturday through to Tuesday the 24th, Christmas Eve of course, and this is the mean of the 500 millibar flow. So what this tells us is where the heights in the upper atmosphere are lower than normal, where they're going to be above normal, and it gives us a good indication as to where highs and lows may be, where they may travel, and also where they might develop. So the ECMWF is on the left-hand side. It shows a weak ridge across the eastern states, but then this strong jet coming across the Atlantic, got a left exit region here across or to the north of the UK, a development zone for areas of low pressure. Similarly, the GFS also doing very, very similar things. We've got a left exit here, again showing us a development zone for areas of low pressure. So with those two in mind, and with very little change through the course of the week, guess what? Yep, it looks as if it is going to be a very windy one indeed. But it's not going to be windy all the time. Really, it's picking out days at the moment when those winds may occur. And it could be that it's 2 or 3 days before the event that we actually know when one of the windier days will be. And in fact, one of these, or the first of these, is likely to come up on Wednesday. So that's on the 18th of December. Looks as if that's going to be a particularly windy day. This is the GFS operational for that day. It shows us low pressure there out towards the west of Scotland. You notice the isobars really close together here as well, and this strong southwesterly wind. Now, GFS operational hints at gusts probably about 50 miles an hour across many western coasts. I suppose you could just push it to a 60, but probably 40 to 60 miles an hour inland as well. Certainly the potential there for some really strong winds. And if we compare to other models, the Canadian, for example, looking like this. This is on the afternoon of the 18th. Look, little area of low pressure there west of Ireland. This zips rapidly up towards the northeast. Strong winds associated with the isobars close together. This one also bringing in those very strong winds through the course of Wednesday. ECMWF ensemble going for a similar thing. It loses some of the detail because of the nature of the ensemble. You notice that low pressure that was on the GFS has gone, and it's kind of it sort of just blends it into the area of low pressure southwest of Iceland there. But the overall impression is still one of the jet stream blowing through here, strong winds coming through, widespread gales. And the GFS ensemble, very, very similar. Low pressure up towards the north, very close together isobars. This screaming southwesterly wind, but on the ensemble of the GFS, actually, what it's hinting at is speeds perhaps as high as 70 miles an hour across western Scotland, more typically 50 to 60 across most other parts of the country. So just a quick one for you today. I'll have more detail for you tomorrow, but lots going on, as you can imagine, with the wind and the rain that's around today. But I just wanted to leave you with this radar picture. A great example of orographic rainfall blowing through Scotland. That southwesterly wind really strong through Scotland. Look at the shape the radar is making there as well. Look, it's exactly in the shape almost of the coasts, the hills, and the windward-facing hills of Scotland. Absolutely perfect example there of the enhancement of rainfall due to orographic uplift. Great, isn't it, when the weather works like that? Anyway, I'll leave you with that for now, but thanks again for watching weatherweb.net. Don't forget you can follow us on Twitter at Weather School, or do a search on Facebook for Weather School. But for now, thanks for watching, and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.